This video will review word forms and problems with word forms. English has four main parts of speech: nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. A verb is an action or a state of being. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Adjectives are usually words or phrases that describe a noun's color, size, or shape, and more. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs typically describe time and frequency, answering questions such as how, in what way, when, where, and to what extent. Because there are different parts of speech, a word will usually take different forms depending on whether it is acting as a noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb in the sentence. In the following example, the word fish will change in meaning according to its function, even though the word looks the same in different parts of speech. Let's compare these two sentences. They like fish. They fish every Sunday. In the first example, fish in they like fish acts as a noun since it is the object of the sentence. In the second example, fish in they fish every Sunday acts as a verb since it is describing the action of the activity, fishing or to fish. Problems with word forms. Non-native speakers of English sometimes use the incorrect word form, which means that sometimes they write one form of a word when they need another form. Let's look at some example sentences that use the incorrect word form. In this first example, she is a very energy person. Energy is the incorrect word form because the word energy is a noun. But because we're describing a person, which is a noun, we need to use the adjective form of the word, which is energetic. So the correct sentence should be, she is a very energetic person. In this second example, they turned off the electric. Electric is the incorrect word form, because the word electric is an adjective, but in the sentence above, we need the noun form, which is electricity. The correct sentence should be, they turn off the electricity. In the final example, we drive careful. Careful is the incorrect word form because careful is an adjective, but we need the adverb, carefully, because we are describing a verb. So, the correct sentence should be, we drive carefully. In order to help you understand which form you should use, here are some common suffixes, which are word endings, that can help you see the difference between a noun, a verb, an adjective, and an adverb. Sometimes suffixes can be used in more than one part of speech. So, if you happen to see words ending with these suffixes, they most likely are nouns. If you happen to see words ending with these suffixes, they most likely are verbs. And so on for adjectives and adverbs. However, not all parts of speech follow these patterns, but they will generally help you understand. This concludes the review video for the Word Forms DLA. Please refer to the DLA for more information and to complete all of the DLA activities. Thank you.